Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. And someone says here we do not have any multiplication sign, but we have here 4 multiplying with 8 minus 5 bracket. So this multiplication called implied multiplication. So it means that we do not write a multiplication sign, but because of the bracket, we have the implied multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list, we have 4 answers, 2, 4, 6, and 10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rules. Basically, these are the two rules which we can use to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the order or exponent of any number. So if your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first if you are going left to right. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As per BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve first the bracket. So first of all, we have to solve this bracket. Just 8 minus 5. So we will write 2 raised to power 3 as it is. 2 raised to power 3 as it is, and plus f like this, plus 4 and 8 minus 5 equals to 3, and divided by 6 we will write as it is, and here we will give the reference 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Now move forward to solve the step number 2, which is exponent part, power of any number. So here we have this number which has the power. So we have to solve this part. 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which means that 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So here we will write 8 and plus 4, 3 divided by 6. And here we will give the reference, which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Now, move forward. We have solve all bracket and also the exponent part. Now we have to move forward. Step number 3, division and multiplication. So simultaneously we can solve division and multiplication because both have this similar precision. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So here we have this multiplication. We can write 8 and plus 4 multiplied 3 is 12, and divided by 6 we will write again as. So here we will write 4 multiplied by 3 because this is basically their implied multiplication. So we can multiply here. Now again we will move forward left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have to solve this division, which is 12 divided by 6 equal to, and here we will give the reference for this one. So 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 10. So the answer of the given expression is 10. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So we will that's it for today. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.